And this is the reason why I spent so much time up in the woods. Take a look at this. These are some of my findings from my last video. I believe the title is The Weather Was Brutal because it was windy, rainy. But anyways, so take a look at this. After cleaning, obviously I need to do a better job on cleaning this, but oh my god, they're so beautiful. I want to share with you guys. Very nice. This is one of my favorites. If you see that crystal right there, beautiful piece. And once again, this was another amazing experience. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all your support. Until next time.